How to get Meta AI on WhatsApp Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to get Meta AI on WhatsApp Android, first of all launch the WhatsApp application on your device and select a particular profile. Now tap on the message box and simply type @Meta AI. So when you write this message, if the Meta AI pops up over here on the screen, then it shows that we have Meta AI on WhatsApp. But if that doesn't pop up, then it means this feature is not available on your WhatsApp. So let's go to the Play Store application on our device and search for WhatsApp if we have an updated version. So let's search for WhatsApp over here. And as you can see, we have the updated version of the application. So this means that the feature of Meta AI on WhatsApp Android is not available for your region as of now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.